I'm Ram sir, your gymnastics coach. Last class we did some drills of basic gymnastics. In this class we will learn little bit advanced level of drills. So before that we have to do some warm up exercise. So first we will start with warm up, then we'll do the advanced gymnastics drills. Let's start with warm up. First you have to do neck rotation and neck side exercise. Neck rotation 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After your neck rotation exercise, up and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After your neck exercise and head exercise, you have to do hand exercise. Now hand stretching up and down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After hands up and down, hand rotation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward side. Now backward side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After hand rotation, you have to do wrist rotation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After wrist rotation, you have to put your hands on hip. Now hip rotation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After both the side hip rotation, you have to do forward backward bend 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now side exercise, side bend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After side bending, we will do alternate toe touch. You have to open your leg little bit. Hand side, left hand will touch right toe and right hand will touch left toe. Okay. Now bend down and touch the toe. Start 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After alternate toe touch, you have to do ankle rotation. For ankle rotation, you have to lift your one leg up and then rotate your ankle both the side 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and another side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change your leg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another leg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After now you have to do high jump. For high jump, keep your hand straight upward. Stretch your hand upside when you are jumping. I will show you 2 times how to do high jump. 1, 2. Like this you have to do. High jump, keep your body stretch up and land. That's all. Okay student, now we will start with gymnastic drills. Please be careful that you are not doing on any bed or sofa. And when you are doing practice, please see you are under the parents' guidance. Okay. And you have to use yoga mat or any floor mat. Please don't use any slippery material for cartwheel and handstand exercise. Now I will show you the first drill, cartwheel 1 leg. Now we will start with cartwheel. This is a level 3 cartwheel. First is baby cartwheel, second is big cartwheel, and now we are doing 1 leg cartwheel. Rule is same. For cartwheel, you have to keep your one leg forward. Any one leg which you use for cartwheel, keep your hands up. One leg forward, hands up. Then you have to do cartwheel. And when you are coming close to the cartwheel, then you have to join your leg like this, fit together. So have a look. Cartwheel and then leg joint close. This is close cartwheel. Again I will show you from this side. When you are closing your cartwheel, keep your feet together and stand straight like this. So one leg forward, hands up, cartwheel, close cartwheel. So this is the one leg cartwheel for flipping movement. This cartwheel we are using. So next exercise we are doing T balance and roll. You kids are know how to do T balance. Same T balance you have to do, but after T balance you will roll with continue movement and finish the roll. Okay. So first you have to do T balance. You know how to do T balance. Any one leg forward and height. Now when you are doing T balance roll, that time you have to keep your hands like this. Okay. When you are doing T balance, put your hands away from the body and lift your leg up. Keep your both legs straight. And when you are doing roll, keep your hands forward. Put your hand down. And then you have to roll and stand up. This is a T balance roll. One more time I will show you. First you have to do T balance. One leg forward, hand side, and lift your leg up. Okay. After that, when you are doing roll, put your hands close to the head, in front of your head, and then put your hand down, and then you have to do roll. Okay. Please have a look. Lift your leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hold. Then hands position change. Down and roll and stand up. This is a T balance roll. For T balance roll, you have to first hold T balance for some time. Then you have to do roll. Now student, we are doing handstand and roll exercise on wall support. With wall support, we will do handstand hold. You already know how to do handstand hold on the wall. Today we will learn how to do handstand, and after that you have to do continue with rolls. Okay? Handstand hold sometime you can do 3 count hold, 5 count hold, and after that hold you have to do roll. So we'll do it with wall support. You know how to do handstand on wall support. Your back will face the wall. Okay? Hands up. Put your hands down. Lift your leg up. Take your position properly. Now hold for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count for 3 also. Then little bit go down and push yourself with wall and roll. When you are pushing wall, be careful that you don't have to touch your head, touch your back area, this area, so that you will not get hurt. One more time I will show you the handstand roll. Same position, your back will face the wall, hands up, put your hands down. Hold your handstand for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Little bit bend your leg, little bit bend your hand, and push the wall and stand straight. Okay student, the next exercise is one leg heli circle. This is an aerobic gymnastics exercise. For this we have to do it on floor. This exercise we don't need mat. Okay? So for this exercise, stand straight, sit down. Okay? Like you are doing in forward roll, squat sit position. Now one leg will go straight sideways. Alright. One leg will go straight sideways. Then you have to move your leg round, and then you have to make circle and put again at the same place. So now we will do the heli circle continuously. Okay. So start with right leg only. Circle, circle, circle. Okay. This circle you can do as much you can. Minimum 3, maximum 5 you have to practice. After all the exercise, we will do little bit stretching and cool down exercise. For stretching exercise, we have to do leg split hold. For leg split, you have to open your leg little bit. Put your hand down and stay there for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 count, sit down. We'll do leg pulling. Hold your leg and we have to do butterfly 25 times. Shake your both the thighs and count your 25, your own count. After 25 counts, you have to leg open and shake it again, as well as shake your hands up and side. And then if you want, you can have Vajrasana hold sitting position for some time for pull down process. After Vajrasana hold, your body will be cooled down completely. Thank you student for watching. I hope you will practice at home carefully and sincerely. All the best.